Okay, so hey guys, and this is the 22 video, and I'm gonna be doing this hardcore test where you'll find the real cicada on this plant. So ready, set. Which cicada is real? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Or this one? Or this one? Yep, you got correct. It was about this one. It's a real life one. Oh, that's one of the things that I got. So the video before this was me playing Minecraft. It's supposed to be a 5-minute video, but it turned out to be a 5-minute video. Or probably 6 minutes. 7 minutes? 8 minutes? 9 minutes? 10 minutes?
Oh, so you just heard me make a noise.
Well, that's the end of this video, and I know it's not real long. Bye, guys. And subscribe to the video, please. I only got one subscriber, and that's my father.